Hi, I'm Steve Greenberg, the Gadget Guy, and do you see how my camera is following me as I move over here? It goes over here. Now I'm going to walk over here, and it keeps following me. Now, I don't have anyone holding the camera. I'm in the room by myself, but I am using a gadget which makes this all possible. And this is terrific if you do exercise videos or any kind of demonstrating videos. This is terrific. It gives you that extra person to shoot your video when you can't do it because you're on the video. And it really does work. You can see how smoothly it works. Now I'm going to move closer to it in a second. When you get closer, it's a little herky-jerky, so I wouldn't use it for that. But for certainly like for working out or for some sort of demo where you're standing kind of like the way I am right now, this is a great way to go. So let me show you the product. Here I'm going to sit down right here. And it is this product right here. It's called the Gimbal Pro. Just to show you what it looks like, there's one right over here, which is actually holding my camera, which is shooting me right now. Here's the box. As you can see, it says Gimbal Pro right on it. And the way this works, you mount your phone in here. It's got these arms on either side of it, so whether it's a small phone or a big phone, it can handle it. You can keep the phone this way or this way. And of course, it has some great tilting action in it, so you can tilt this way or whatever you need to do for your shoot. And then the magic is right there. You see that little eye right there? That's a sensor. And that sensor kind of makes contact with you, the main person on camera, and so it will follow you as you go one way or the other way. The stand will move, and of course your camera follows. This is definitely a must-have if you do a lot of videos in your house. I do a lot of videos. I use this thing all the time. It comes in white and black. Another cool feature, see this piece right here? It unscrews so that you can attach it to a tripod, which I think is super valuable. So once again, it's called the Gimbal Pro. I'm going to show you the box again. Gimbal Pro. Definitely worth having. I have it. I use it. I recommend it. So check it out. And of course, stay safe, take care, and go get your gadgets. Bye-bye.